All right, guys, so here we have a 2016 M3 with a single turbo, and we have the owner, Anthony, right here, and he's gonna go ahead and break down the turbo kit and the build and what this beast is all about.
So on this thing, I currently have the 4N single turbo kit on it, with a VRSF top mount intercooler. I went with the maximum PSI 4-pin crank hub, Precision Raceworks stage 3 fuel pump. I got a ethanol content sensor from Motive. Motive's doing my tuning. I got Reflex on there, which is controlling the port injection and the boost. It's a twin scroll GT 3584 RS, and then I have two, I believe, tail wastegates, 15-pound. Pressure springs. Currently, I'm on my third revision at around 30 pounds of boost. I'm on like a E50 mix, not full 85 yet. What's funny with this thing is, I mean, I did all the work, no MAF sensors, so they have MAF sensor block-off kits. It's all tuned through them, through Motive. They're doing a really incredible job on it. And that's just the basics of it. Nothing crazy. Had a fab up mid-pipe I-creep boost. Did my mid-pipe on this since it doesn't connect to the original mid-pipe, so it connects to the single VRSF mid-pipe to stock rear muffler, but that's it. Nothing crazy. Oh yeah, I got a CTS charge cooler in there and also a CTS J-pipe.
Yeah, man, this thing looks super clean. You know, it's interesting, like, just seeing this little gap empty, not having the second air intake on it.
Yeah.
And then I think it's just fascinating how the two charge pipes come down and connect to the single pipe and everything.
Yeah.
It's cool how they made it work. Because initially, like, when you look at this engine bay, you're like, there's no space to do something like this. But yeah, you have a kit that made it happen. And dude, I'm excited to see and hear what this thing sounds like. But you've also done some nice cosmetic mods, so
Yeah.
looks like it's sitting nice and low and properly.
Swift Spec R springs. So I got 10mm spacers in the back, in the back, and 12 in the front. Colorado N5X supplied all the carbon on the front.
Shout out Colorado N5X. He's always helping us Colorado boys.
Yep, looking nice and clean. But I mean, other than that, it's just, like a basic F80, I guess.
Your sticker says otherwise. We got Savage F80. I believe it, man. This thing is an animal, but that's awesome, man. Well, I guess we'll hear how this thing sounds and get some experience out of it. So what's the time frame? So when you received the kit, from the day you received it to the day you were able to start it up, drive it, what's that time frame so people know?
For me, doing it all myself, while working and pulling the car in and out of the shop, was at least 2 months. And that's with tinkering with stuff missing, I went from the AIC port injection, and then heard Reflex was a thing, switched from boot mode to MHD, so it's just getting it how I want it without having any issues, just straight up bolt on.
Right. A lot of blood, sweat, and tears went into a project like this, I'm sure.
Yeah, dude, this shit sucked.
Well, hey, hopefully it paid off though. You seem like you're pretty happy about it, so.
It's fun.
All right. These taillights are sick. Sounds so no way, guys, that sounds so good. That single turbo and exhaust work and everything just really fixes that like raspy sound that these engines have. Sounds so good. Oh my gosh. That thing is insane. Guys, I don't know if camera's gonna do that justice, but that thing sounds absolutely insane. Sounds completely different. So guys, we just heard this car from the outside and it, yeah, so crazy, sounds so freaking good. So now I'm gonna hop inside and we're gonna get my reaction on what this thing sounds like from the inside and what it feels like. So we'll hop into it. That pinned me to my seat when it hit boost.
And it fucking hits you like a freight train, bro.
Dude, that got me sweating a little bit. I feel where it's trying to build it, and then it just hits, and you're like back in your seat. There's no way. There's no freaking way. That is a whole different experience. Like, I don't know. That feels way different than my car. It sounds different. It pulls different.
Dude, if we had more road.
Yeah. I know. We needed just like like an airplane track.
Yeah. Straight up airstrip.
Exactly.
That's not even full power, huh?
No, bro.
Oh my gosh. Dude, if we had more road, holy crap.
Yeah, I'm telling you, bro.
Dude, holy.
Like, I'm already like used to this shit.
Uh-huh.
I'm like, I need
Second year. Oh my gosh. And dude, oh my, if we had more road,
You could,
holy
yeah.
crap.
Oh, that was probably like 30 pounds, but
So that was 30 pounds of boost
Yeah.
on those last pulls we did.
yeah.
Dang.
But that's like E50 makes all my bad.
Oh, you're good, man. Yeah, that felt like 30 pounds. That pushed me back. So guys, real quick, Anthony, he's never experienced the anti-lag update from MHD, so I'm gonna give him a quick ride along and show him what that feels like. I'll give you a quick anti-lag sound.
It just fucking pulls. That's fucking nice. Just like, it's like instant. That's what I like about the twins.
Yeah, the instant power is great. The low end torque on these cars. What is multi-light's pretty crazy, isn't it?
Yeah. I gotta fucking enable mine still.
One more first gear, because that's the craziest one.
Literally, bro, it's like so different when you're in the passenger seat.
A little different, right?
Yeah, dude, that's nice. That's a nice feature.
So guys, that's gonna end the video on this crazy savage F80. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Super big thanks to Anthony over there for letting us film his car and doing some rips for us. Definitely, it's making me want to go single turbo on my car now, so we'll just have to see. But if you guys want to see more BMWs, more unique builds on the channel, make sure you subscribe and comment and let me know. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Been spending most our lives living in a gangster's paradise. Been spending most our lives living